This is the SNAP 2013 tutorial video for the Facings tab, and you'll see that you can have a list of facings. So I can create a temporary facing, and I can type in a description like a shotcrete, and then I can go and set the properties of this. I can have mesh and bars. Then I can set the vertical and horizontal spacing of the bars and all of this. But I'll just leave the defaults for now. And I can go back to the list, and then I can create a permanent facing, or I can create another temporary one. But if I want to change this to a permanent facing, then I'll click here. And remember, if you create a permanent facing, you should always create a temporary facing first, and then the permanent facing will go on top of that temporary facing. So if I want to put a comment here, description of cast in place, and when I go to the permanent facing, you'll see that it has a box here that allows me to pick a temporary facing, because there might be more than one. And we can say that this facing has mesh and bars and also has studs. And we can input here all the properties for these. I'll just leave them as default for now. And then if you move the mouse over the tab button, you'll see that the descriptions that you typed in the list, they'll show up there, and they'll also show up in the report. So that's why it's good to pick good names for your objects such as your facing, and also type in descriptions.